Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we have a dirty kitchen and dirty area. The boys already ate. The boys are upstairs watching Moana and I haven't ate yet. I'm about to actually make some oatmeal real quick. Get my day started. All right, oatmeal is done. I got blueberries, strawberries. Tiffany's over here making some snacks for the boys. We're about to go to the park. And today's video, we are partnering with Keebler. So shout out to Keebler for sponsoring this video.
Now there's a dad who comes in handy with these boys we love and know. See, there's Carter, Chance, and Jaden. Watch this mommy host the show. It's the Daily Davidson Show. Yes, the Daily Davidson Show.
So I just got done packing the boys' lunches and I packed them some sandwiches, something to drink. Jaden and Chance love cheese, but only real cheese. So the Keebler Club Bites mini cheese sandwich crackers are perfect for them. So that's what I packed in their boxes. And then Carter, he loves peanut butter. So the Keebler Club Bites in the peanut butter flavor only have real peanut butter and no artificial flavor. So it's perfect for Carter. And I actually accidentally packed 2 things of grapes in this lunchbox, but that's okay, I'll eat them. So yeah, we're gonna head to the park now and they're gonna have a good time. You ready? Go.
You want to touch it after?
Jaden, are you helping your brother put his shoes on?
Kenzie has flip-flops on.
There you go. Wait.
And I have more grapes. I have grapes. Like 2 grapes.
So we made it to the park. There's our little playground over there. It's really nice out here. It's not too hot, not too cold. It's perfect. Boys are eating lunch right now and then they're gonna go play.
Oh.
Did you bring some napkins?
No, you just gotta eat them out the box. We didn't pack lunches, need them. Yummy?
Do not dip your food in dirt.
Okay, it's fine. Ooh, good catch. Yummy, yummy. Are you sharing?
No more.
Uh-oh, you dropped it. Don't eat that one. Throw it.
Throw it.
Get another one. Make it a mess?
No, I don't.
Oh. Ready?
Yeah.
Put your head back.
It ran on his nose and cheek. Yes, we got it! No. Whoa! It's monkey bars. I might only need help.
All right, I'm gonna hold your legs, okay? All right, I'm holding you. Which way you gonna go?
That way.
Gotta go around.
Oh.
All right.
I feel like.
Yeah. Hey, buddy. Did you go?
Yes.
Alright. You did it.
That's right, car.
Oh, that's Chance.
Well, that one.
TJ's up there with Carter. You gonna come down the slide? You are too big. You can barely fit through the thing. Woo! Oh, Daddy stopped you.
Only for your safety.
Didn't we? Is this the part where we film our intro, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Right over there. Y'all see those trees? Somewhere over there. Or maybe over there. Somewhere over here. We filmed our intro. And we know that we're due for a new one. We're working on it. We tried to do it at our last photo shoot, but I don't know if we got enough footage. It's hard. It's hard to film with 3 kids. Why? Why? What are you doing? Why my child got to be a wild one going down head first? Go, Jay.
Halfway down.
Woo!
That one was a good slide.
I think your shoes, because your shoes stopped you from going down. Next time, lift your feet up maybe, and you'll go all the way down. Carter and TJ, are you gonna send him down by himself, or are you gonna go down with him?
I don't know. What should I do?
I don't know. Are you too big to go down the slide? Whoa! Carter, did you have fun? He's going back. Chancey, woo! And Carter! Yay! All by yourself, big boy. Are you trying to beat me? Okay. Oh, look at that. I won! Good job. Yeah, so when we come to the park, I like to come with, when I take the kids to the park, I like to take with like TJ or somebody else with me, because let me tell y'all, if you've never watched 3 kids at a park or like a museum or something by yourself, it is a task, okay? Like, you got 1 kid over here, 1 kid over there, 1 kid back there. You have to like look around and make sure they're okay. It's hard. So I definitely like to bring somebody with me when I go, because it's really hard. Let's go. Whee! We're on a grasshopper. See it? Chanty said, hold on, mommy.
Is there an entrance over here?
I'm holding. Woo! Giddy up, grasshopper. Giddy up, grasshopper. Huh?
Mommy, get off.
You want me to get off?
So the boys are upstairs chilling out, watching a movie real quick, and we are back home, man. We are just gonna enjoy the rest of the day. I got a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And you can watch some of our other vlogs in this video. Shout out to Keebler for sponsoring this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.